In this lesson, we're going to talk something more about Chinese grammar, adjectives. In Chinese, if you want to describe something in more detail, you need to add adjectives. So the pattern we're using is that adjectives plus noun, which means you need to put the adjectives such as good, beautiful, big, and huge, this kind of adjectives in front of a noun. Let's see some examples here. He is a good kid. We say, 他是个好孩子。他是个好孩子。Here, 他 means he, 是 means is, 个 is a classifier. 好孩子 is a phrase. We're using the pattern of adjectives plus noun. We can see here 好 means good. 孩子 means kid. We put good in front of kid, which means 好孩子. She's a pretty girl. We say 她是个漂亮女孩。她是个漂亮女孩。We say here 她 which means she, 是 which means is. 个 is also a classifier. 漂亮女孩 is a phrase using the pattern of adjective plus noun. So 漂亮 means beautiful or pretty. 女孩 means girl. So you can see, if you want to really describe something, you can always add the adjectives in front of a noun. Don't do the other way around.